So yeah. Last week. I know guys I'm late and I'm so sorry. Just that my week has been hectic. A lot has been happening and I've been quite busy, so that is why, and I am so sorry guys. But yeah, I'm back now and no more delays, so let's just get into it. Okay, so guys, I don't know what I did. I don't know what is it called. I did it on my IG. So where I asked you guys to pick a story between iPhone 12 story and Shisanyama story. So the Shisanyama story won. So I'll be like telling you guys about it. So please. So the story is a true story and it's what happened to me, you know. So somehow it's gonna be hard for me to tell the story like without having to identify people, but okay, I'm not gonna mention names, but I'll just try to. So guys, okay, I'll just make up names. So there was Peter and Lennox. So yes. Okay guys, just to give you some like a brief summary of, you know, where the story is coming from. Okay, so when I was doing my grade 10, I was staying at a hostel. There was a hostel in my school, so I was staying there. So I was bent by boiling water while I was asleep, and that was a mistake, I believe. So a kettle with full of boiled water just fell on me while I was asleep, so I got burnt. So I think half of my face got affected, and this part and my arm. Yes, so that is what happened. So, you know guys, when you're doing grade 10, I mean, there was a guy in my life. There was a guy in my life name. So, okay. I think this incident happened on a Saturday morning. I think it was 5:45. Yes. So this incident happened around February, Saturday morning. You know, the following week on a Wednesday, schools were going to close, so it was going to be a March holiday. You know that holiday, 10 days holiday. So yes, yeah. So there was a guy in my life, you know, guys. So things got I don't know, hectic. Said I don't know, but so guys, as I said, things went to the south. I don't know, south a lot or whatever. So, and I decided to make this tea because so okay. As I said that the following week was going to be like a holiday, you know, the start of the holiday, March holiday. So I went home obviously because I had to go to the hospital, and then I didn't sleep there, so they discharged me on the very same day. I think so. Yes, I went home. Okay, so you know, most bad things just got, you know, got a moment, and then I left my things, including my phone. Okay. Hey. I think later onwards I got a call from my number, you know. I think, yes, I was using my mom's phone. So my mom got a call from my number. And we were like, no, I think this is your call. My mom said, I think this is your call because this is your phone that's calling. So yeah. Okay, and then I picked it up. I was like, hello. And then it was Peter, guys. So Peter was checking up on me, like on what happened, how you feeling right now, how things like. Obviously it's a he, guys, so there's no need for me to run away from that. So he was just checking up on me, yeah, and then telling me that everything's gonna be fine, I'm gonna be okay. So you know, so yes, I also believed him, like things are gonna be fine. He was gonna be there. Things. Okay guys, just to fast forward, keep the story short and not boring. So I think schools they opened, I'm not sure when, but I came back a week before my birthday, that was around April. So hey, a girl is so scarred here. I think I got affected this area, like all this area, including my neck, and then this side, it was just around here. So okay, I'm that girl. I don't have confidence. Could be bad as it could be, must I should be there. So I was like, okay. About went to me, but often I'm going again. So about to hey! Okay guys, and yes, what happening or something, I don't know, you tell me. It as much as about what you're like this low self-esteem and everything. I only had one but as bad as when I get to see, Okay, cool. Yay, and yes, I think someone called Peter, when they saw me, I think they called him. Okay guys, so I got back to school, and then everything was fine, everything was promising. Hey, I think on the first week when I came back, everything was fine, everything was promising, and I was like, okay, if Peter understands and you can do right, little did I know. So things got, they went to the south. So everywhere. Okay, cool. And then all I thought back I would have to learn to know self-esteem and everything. And up until I had wow. Okay, there's a Chisanyama name that's going around, So I think there was this other day. I was passing by a group, yes, most about and then I was just passing by. And then Dava visited, I was like, okay. I didn't know what was happening. People were like, what's up? Okay. So this thing went on, and then until I think there was this period, I don't know, anyway, it's like a restaurant, private there, so this. So people will be like, oh, and somehow Chisanyama, I'm craving Chisanyama, and even okay. Little did I know that I am the Chisanyama. Guys, people, Jaini. So they were referring me to a Braai meet since I was also banned. I don't know. Maybe I could respond on it. I don't know. So I know what I said. Timla Chisanyama. Jaini. So Mazaniti in a kettle jug full of boiled water just fell on me while I was asleep. So maybe that sound it happened, I don't know, maybe there was a sound that, okay, I don't know. So, Kesala, I was the girl, the Chisanyama girl. So, guys, I was the Chisanyama. Braai meat was discovered. It was me, guys. I honestly couldn't believe that. Oh, I think, hey, there were times I think there was this at the time, I was sent to a class, just to call some few people. I won't go deeper, but I was sent to a class to call some few leaders. And then when I got into the class, I knocked obviously and then greeted the teacher. And then people at the back, students at the back were like, shh, some were like, shh. That was me, guys. That was me. Can you just imagine the pain, I don't know, self-esteem that I had, and yo guys, it was just a lot to deal with, only to find out that at the end this name came up with Peter. So yo guys, the way I felt that time, I didn't know what to do. Like, I felt so useless. I was helpless. Like, I really never thought that could be me in that situation. But that's not the point. The moral of the story is that, guys, anything can happen to anyone, anytime, at any time. So tomorrow is never promised, you all. So please, guys, can they want the rights? Because yay, I don't know what the treatment I got from other people, because there were people that were supporting me, but the other ones, I don't know. So please, guys. As I've already said, I didn't want to make this video long and boring, but I really don't mind going deeper, you know, deeper. But if you would really like to hear the other side or the deeper side, just comment down below so I can make part 2. And please, guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and share, please, guys, so people can see it and be able to subscribe, you know, and like the video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever a video has been uploaded. And yeah, thank you.